Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel and another episode of an art review / tutorial. If you're new here, I am Miguel and I will be reviewing an art piece and the time-lapse that I will showcase as well. In today's episode, I will be reviewing a Filipino folk mythological creature known as the Bakunawa. It is a giant sea serpent dragon in Filipino mythology, and this will be my take on it. The materials I will be using is pastel this time. So let's have a look. So in the beginning, I've had this immediate approach that it's going to be sort of alien-like, where I start drawing the head shape into a more alien-like creature, something pretty foreign to planet Earth. I add a lot of detail on the head shape, add more fins and spines and horns. I want the focus to be on the head. It's actually in reference to the mythology itself, because the Bakunawa, according to the legend, is a giant sea dragon that it's more of an explanation as to why there are moon eclipses. So that's probably where it came from. And so the legend has it that sometimes the Bakunawa would swallow the moon or just eat up the moon and then regurgitate the next day. And there is said to be 7 different moons in the beginning of time. For some reason I just drew up 5 for whatever reason. There was only 5 moons that I drew, I think. But here in the beginning I have the immediate color palette of blues and greens and blue violets that make up most of the body. A little bit of gray as well, and then a bit of brown, earthly colors. And the head shape around the head area is pretty dark and very grimacing. And here I make up the moons in different gold, brown, and yellow color. Again, there's only 5. I think here I had the concept of the Bakunawa eating up 2 of the moons, because that was part of the legend. He, depending on the story and region of the Bakunawa, he eats up either all of the moons and leaves 1, or sometimes the others throughout the different days of the week. So here we have the Bakunawa. I left the eye bright red, kind of like dim a little bit, give it that ominous look, because that's the focus. So I hope you enjoyed that version and time-lapse of the Bakunawa. Let me know what you think in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. I hope you enjoy that. Please like, share, and subscribe.